Hi, welcome. This video is about how you can make not less than $1,000 monthly doing affiliate marketing with Expertnaire.com. All right, doing business online with Expertnaire.com. Please, if you're new to this channel, I be sure to subscribe. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button and leave a comment, because on this channel, like I promised in my earlier videos, I'm going to be doing a whole lot of tips and tricks, all right, to help you to have results doing affiliate marketing. All right, I am an affiliate marketer and I have results. Doing affiliate marketing. I think it is one of my best experience doing affiliate marketing. The reason being that it is one business that you can start with no investment. The only investment you do is to invest in your training, and having got your training, all right, you can begin to sell anything online and make money right from your bedroom. Okay, please subscribe to this channel. All right, now before I take on I go into the heart of this tutorial. Okay, now I have a question I want to ask you. What do you think about making money online? What do you think? Now for you, is this something realistic, or you think it's something unrealistic? Because a whole lot of people tell me that this make money online thing, it's not, I feel it's a scam, I feel it's that. But honestly, making money on the internet, using the internet, is real. All right, making money using the internet, making money online is real, and it's a sweet experience. It is something that anybody can do. All right, so I want you to go to the comment box, leave your comment, tell me what you think, because it determines whether you can make money or not. Okay, now the funny side is that a whole lot of people know how much the internet has changed virtually every human activity, how the internet has really made things very, very easy to accomplish. But very little percentage of people understand or knows that making money, also the internet has made very, very easy. Okay, very few people got to understand that the internet has equally made making money very, very easy. All right, with no stress. All right, like I earn money right from my home. I don't need to go under the sun or go under the rain. All right, I make money right from my bedroom, and it's a beautiful experience. Okay, now in this video, it's about how you can start. All right, how you can start on creating your online business doing affiliate marketing with Expertnaire.com. Now, what is Expertnaire.com? What does Expertnaire.com do? Now, Expertnaire.com is a digital affiliate marketplace with digital products. All right, they have they have digital products created by experts, people with quality knowledge, quality information, and expertise. All right, they create products that covers every aspect of human needs and list them on these platforms for affiliates. All right, for vendors, for affiliates to pick on this product and market them online. All right, market them online. They are not physical product, they are digital products, and the marketing is done online. So when you pick on this product, all right, you are given a link. You are given a product link with which you go and place on your platforms. Could be Facebook, could be YouTube, could be your Instagram. All you have to do is to promote your links. All right, people click on those links and they connect with the product, and if the product resonates with them, they buy from you. All right, and the beautiful thing about this is that with Expertnaire you have a huge commission. Expertnaire pays a huge commission. It's 50-50. All right, it's 50%. Most of the product there are 50% commission you're getting by promoting them. So it's a very good platform for a beginner. And another beautiful thing is that most of the products on Expertnaire platform are hot products. They are hot products. All right, this product ranges from travel, fitness, health, wealth, relationship, software. All right, a whole lot of them, a whole lot of product that you can pick and begin to promote. Now, if you want to learn how you can promote this product perfectly online and engage your audience and make money from this product, all right, I have a link in this video. I have a link. If you want to access the training, there is a link below this video called the 72 IG implementation program. All right, and also if you want to sign into expertnaire.com, I'm leaving a link below in the description of this video. Okay, now with that link you can sign directly to expertnaire.com and begin to make money. So it's a good place to start for every beginner. It's a good place. Anybody can do it. All right, I make money on Expertnaire. I don't want to be throwing, I won't be showing you on this video for security reasons. But if I don't make money from Expertnaire, I wouldn't have the guts to make video. All right, promoting Expertnaire. All right, I make money from Expertnaire, and I want to hold you by the hand and teach you how you can also make money on this platform. It's a beautiful platform. All right, and I promise you that if you engage this platform, you are definitely gonna make it doing business online. Like I say, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification button, and leave a comment. Leave a comment. I leave a link below this video if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. All right, I'm leaving a link below this video. Click on this link. Click on this link. All right, click on this link, the 72 IG implementation system. This training will teach you how to set up your own online business and do affiliate marketing perfectly. The reason being that that training took me by the hand and taught me how to do my business online, and I tell you, I'm crushing it and I'm happy. Click on that link and sign into Expertnaire. All right, if you're serious, if you're very serious promoting Expertnaire product, all right, I bet you make a huge amount monthly doing that. God bless you.